Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creativity. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Erica and I am the Lopsided Crafter. Ta-da! Today is day 6 in our mini mystery advent. This is by Teal Torch Knits. I have the playlist linked below of the first 5 days. All of the videos are right at 2 minutes long. If you have a minute, check the playlist out, watch them in order, and you will be as surprised as I am. Here's day 6, our final day, and this one is another squishy. Another squishy. So let's see what we got in here today. Ooh, this is pretty too. That is pretty. That is very pretty. I like that one too. I have been surprised. Of course, that's the idea behind a mystery, right? You know, sometimes you sign up for a mystery knit along, crochet along, mystery bag of yarn, and sometimes you're not satisfied with what you got. But I am happy. I'm happy with the yarn that I got. I'm happy with the little gifties that I got. So yeah, these would be perfect to add to my stash for maybe heels, toes, and socks. Heels, toes, and socks. Yeah. Heels, toes, and cuffs. If you watched day 1, well, I won't tell you. Just go back and watch day 1. So yeah, that was my final package in my mystery advent from Teal Torch Knits. Again, this is her card. She does have a website. Make sure you follow her on Instagram. But there is her website, tealtorchknits.com. I'm very happy with the mystery bag that I got. I always like doing that. Even if there's 1 or 2 items in a mystery that you don't necessarily care for, it's fine. I'm not one of those people that's going to go out and give somebody a bad review or a company a bad review because you sent me a color I did not like. Well, you know what? It's a mystery. And it's not their fault. I was fortunate enough where I got colors that I do like. And I got little gifties that I like. So, thank you so much, Christina from Teal Torch Knits. I really, truly enjoyed this little advent. And thank you for offering to individually wrap those items so that it could be created into an advent. Okay, guys, until next time, happy crocheting, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy everything else. Bye. Thanks for joining us on the Lopsided Crafter. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really, truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy crocheting. Bye.